Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Folks, we've got some exciting news for Bitcoin bulls out there. After months of consolidation, Bitcoin has broken through a crucial resistance level at $97,000 and reached its highest level since February. At last check on Saturday, it was trading around $96,500, up 30% from the lowest in April. Now, let's dive into some key reasons why analysts believe Bitcoin is poised to surge to an all-time high this year. And trust me, these are some compelling bullish factors. First off, have you noticed that the supply of Bitcoin on exchanges has plummeted to just 1.42 million? That's its lowest level in over 6 years, folks. And if we look at the bigger picture, the total supply is now at 18.43 million outside of exchanges. A whopping number that suggests investors are holding onto their coins and not selling them off. Now, let's not forget about some big-name players in the space who are continuing to buy up Bitcoin. Michael Saylor's strategy alone holds over 2% of the total supply, and top companies like Coinbase, Tesla, Galaxy Digital, and Block aren't hinting at any plans to sell either. So with these heavy hitters buying in, it's no wonder that demand is on the rise. The retail and institutional demand are starting to show some serious traction, and we've got the numbers to prove it. Bitcoin exchange-traded fund inflows have only had 4 months of outflows since their inception last year. That's a sign of strong institutional demand in the US, folks, with over $40 billion in assets now flowing into these funds. But that's not all. Analysts are predicting that demand will continue to rise as countries start looking to diversify away from the US dollar. And with Standard Chartered putting Bitcoin at $200,000 and ARK Invest expecting it to hit $2.4 million by 2030, it's clear that we're in for a wild ride. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what about the technicals? Well, let me tell you, folks, Bitcoin's got some serious momentum going on right now. It's jumped above key resistance levels and is staying above the ascending trend line, which hasn't happened since August last year. And with it jumping above both the 50-day and 100-day exponential moving averages, we're looking at a strong upward trajectory. So there you have it, folks. These are some compelling reasons why Bitcoin bulls should be optimistic about the future. With supply and demand on the rise, institutional demand in full swing, and Bitcoin's technicals showing no signs of slowing down, it's clear that this could be just the start of something big.